Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a red light issue on your Verizon 5G home internet router. First, start with a simple power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the router and also from the wall outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds. This pause allows the system to clear temporary errors. After that, plug the router back into the wall and reconnect the power cable. Give the device up to 10 minutes to fully boot up and reconnect to the network. Watch the light indicator and see if it returns to normal. If the red light is still there, the next step is to check the SIM card if your router supports it. Turn off the router completely before doing this. Locate the SIM card slot on your device. Carefully remove the SIM card. Look at the gold contacts and clean them gently using a soft, dry cloth. Once cleaned, reinsert the SIM card until it clicks securely into place. Then power the router back on and wait for it to reconnect. If the issue continues, check for possible outages in your area. Open the My Verizon app on your smartphone and look for any network outages or scheduled maintenance. If there is an outage, you may need to wait until service is restored. If none of these steps fix the problem, perform a factory reset. Use a paperclip or pen to press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for about 10 to 15 seconds. Wait until the lights flash. This will restore the device to its default settings. Thanks for watching.